Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Just Do Electronics. We will be building a RFID based attendance system that logs attendance in a Google Sheet and send a real-time message alert whenever a user scans this card. This is the perfect for a school office where you need to monitor this attendance system. Now see this component, which component I use in this project. First I use this ESP8266 microcontroller board, 16 by 2 LCD display with I2C module, Sim800l GSM module, LM2596 step down converter, PN532 NFC RFID reader and writer module, RFID tag, the small piezo buzzer. Now set up this first RFID module. Each module is working on this I2C protocol, UART protocol and SPI protocol. Let's design the circuit diagram. First we arrange all this component and do this connection one by one. Like LCD will be connected to this pin number D1 and D2. RFID will be connected to this same I2C protocol and GSM module will be connected to this pin number D5 and D6. A small piezo buzzer will be connected to this pin number D7. If you want circuit diagram, then check this video description, the link available. Hardware of this project. In a 0 PCB, we soldering all this component and then we attach this all hardware parts and this component one by one, like ESP8266 microcontroller board, Sim800l GSM module. I use this bigger antenna to get this better signal. And in board already I attached this LM2596 step down converter. Then I attach this 16 by 2 LCD display, and then I attach this RFID module. This is a small piezo buzzer, and I just given this 9 volt 2 ampere power supply to directly LM2596 step down converter. Now see this working of this project. First we turn on the system, and when I scan this card, I mean this RFID tag to RFID reader, it will display this name and roll number. Google Sheet will also display this date, time, name, ID and status. Name is the Pratik. After the few seconds, the GSM sending this text message, Pratik is present at school. Is a in status. When I scan this again, same card and the status will be changed. Is the out. SMS will become Pratik is out of the school. Now I scan the second card. I am the second user. LCD will display name and roll number. Google Sheet will take this attendance is this status will be in and ID will be also changed each second. After the few seconds, the GSM sending this text message. See, Sonu is present at a school. When I scan the Sonu card again, then a status will be changed. This time is the out. This project is working perfectly. I hope you like this project, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.